Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will be talking about the Farmacy Clean Bee Cleanser. This is an ultra gentle facial cleanser that I have been loving and obsessing over as my morning cleanser for months now. So I want to go into a little bit more detail on this product and kind of show you how I use it as prep before my makeup. This retails for $28 at Sephora, and it says what it is: an ultra gentle soothing facial cleanser that lifts away excess oil, impurities, and makeup while infusing moisture with honey and hyaluronic acid. Skin types that can use this is normal, dry combination, and oily. Basically all. You can treat these skincare concerns, dullness and uneven texture, and it's a gel formulation. But what I love the most about this cleanser is that it has honey. It has some sort of honey blend, which is known to soothe. It says right here, it's known for its soothing and humectant properties. This special honey delivers skin-loving moisture and nourishment, plus antioxidants. As you can see, I am almost done with it. This has lasted me close to 9 months. That's crazy. And I use it very, very often. Skincare is not one thing that I skipped out on in 2020. I'm definitely repurchasing after I'm done with it. It does everything that it claims to do. Every time I use this, my face feels super clean without feeling super dry. It doesn't draw out the moisture. I actually feel like it balances out my skin a lot. I have oily combination skin, so I am oily on my T-zone and I am dry on like the outer parts of my face. I've really been enjoying using this cleanser. I love that it's for sensitive skin, especially because my skin used to get super irritated and super red around my cheeks and my forehead, and after I started using this, that problem went away. I even started thinking that I had psoriasis, but ever since then, this has calmed it down a whole lot. A struggle, to say the least, to find a cleanser that actually cleans my face without drawing out all the moisture, if that makes any sense. Sometimes at night I do super heavy treatments that you want to wash off first thing in the morning, and this does a good job without getting rid of all of those benefits that you worked hard for all night, and also to prep for my makeup. I feel like my moisturizer doesn't have to work as hard because, again, this doesn't dry out my face. Just in case you need a little guidance, what I do is I get a little bit of lukewarm water ready and I squirt one pump onto my fingers and then I work it in. I get a little bit of water and then I suds it up between my fingers, and then I start going in circular motions on my cheeks. I concentrate it on my cheeks and on my nose because, like I said, that's where I get most oily. I concentrate it on my T-zone and then I move outwards. I also do my eyebrows and my eyelids, just everywhere, my lips. You want to go in super gentle circular motions. You don't want to overwork your face. I feel like your cleanser should do most of the work and you're just working it into your skin without tugging on your skin. With all that being said, I highly recommend this cleanser. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.